Hello, welcome to a very, very special show. If you've got your Christmas list in front of you right now, I have got the perfect gifts from Pavers. And it's not just shoes, so let's see what we can find for you to wrap up and put under your tree. Now here's something that should be on the top of everyone's Christmas list right now, because we're all spending a little bit longer indoors, and you know it's horrible to have cold feet, and you don't really want to be skimming around on wooden floors in just your bare feet or your socks. So these combine, well, kind of the best of both worlds of a slipper and a sock, because they are a slipper sock and they are beautiful. On the bottom, you can see that they've got all of these little rubberized nodules there, which means that you don't go, I believe the term, Sheila, is head over eyelash.
Something like that, yes, Derek, yes. Other terminology may be used,
they are.
But great gift idea as
Aren't
well.
they?
I mean, the thing is, if you're on a little bit of a budget, these are a fabulous present. I did buy these for my nieces a few Christmases ago, and they absolutely love them. And I've just seen you turn it inside out, and let me tell you, once that's on your foot, it is so cozy and soft, that lovely lining. And aren't they a pretty design as well?
They are fabulous. And actually, when you do turn them inside out, you've got the most amazing, literally, all the way through to the tips of your toes. You've got that wonderful, it's almost like a lovely, soft kind of fleecy shearling almost. It's brilliant. So I've just turned this one inside out, and you can see, look at how thick and how luscious and beautiful
It's lovely. It
that
really
is.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous, feels gorgeous, and I just think these are so cozy. If you're wrapped up, you're on the settee watching your favourite Christmas movie, perfect.
It's a fabulous design as well, and look at all of the different colours you've got to choose from for a very, very affordable gifting price. And talking of affordable, you know how we adore our four-legged friends. Well, now we've got a wonderful, funky pair of slippers in kind of dedication to them, if you like. These are super, super cool. They're really, really good. And they've got cute little faces on. There are two options. You've got a dog and you've got a little pussycat there as well. And I have to say, I think my little pussycats, my Bobble and Pickle, who are sisters, I think if I didn't get my feet into these quite quick enough, Sheila, I think they'd be popping in.
I think they would, because they are so snuggly and warm. They're gorgeous, and they're as cute as a button as well.
Aren't they? Really sweet.
Yeah, and I think great if you're maybe, when you can, going somewhere. Was that a kitten noise?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
bless you.
I think she's called Maisie.
She looks a little bit like it. She's a little bit of a minx, isn't she?
She
with
is.
that little...
She's got attitude.
Yeah, she really has.
Phoebe.
But if you're travelling,
Yes.
if you're going away somewhere ever, to pop these in your bag, your overnight bag, will be perfect.
They're super safe as well, aren't
Yeah.
they, Sheila? I don't know if you can show on yours, but on the base, on the underside, it's full of these little sort of rubberized nodules there, so that will keep you nice and safe if
Yeah.
you've got wooden floors or slippy
Which
floors.
is great, and they weigh next to nothing, but
Oh.
they're just so cute and lovely.
Aren't they wonderful? Row, row. Now that was a very small dog, by the way, and I'm not sure if reindeers do bark or make any kind of noise, but that's my link, and that's it. I've got slipper socks for you right now, which have cute little reindeers on them. These are really, really nice. I love the colour of these as well, and I know you love them, Sheila. It's kind of like strawberry milkshake, isn't it?
It is a gorgeous colour. So if you've got anybody in your family that's quite girly in a way, that lovely pink is going to be gorgeous. But Derek, have you felt inside these socks?
Yeah, they're amazing, aren't they? If you turn one inside out, you can feel that. It's
they
so
are just-
luscious.
It is. It's beautiful. And the thing is, they are slipper socks. So underneath, you've got those little nodules that have got grips on them. So
Yeah.
don't feel as if you're going to be sliding around in them. But they are just so cosy and warm. And they've got lovely sort of like icicles on there, little snow flakes and
Snowflakes, yeah.
things. Yeah.
And the reindeers have got their scarves on as well, so they're keeping nice and warm. I tell you what, I do love the cuff there that you've got. So you've rolled it down just a little bit there, haven't you? Because it's got that lovely fleecy cuff. So if you are wearing your Christmas outfit, you're with the family, the grandchildren or whatever, it's just fun to add to that. But it's nice and warm and it's safe, Sheila.
It is.
Right, Sheila, I'm going to give you a little break from this one because this one is for the boys. I was wondering whether we'd have any slipper socks for the boys, and we have. Actually, I say for the boys, it can be for absolutely everyone, these, can't they? Because they are brilliant, but these have got lovely red-nosed reindeers on them too. Now, these are a little easier to see, so we can show you those nodules on the bottom a little bit easier. So if I just pop my hands in there, in fact, they could double as mitts, couldn't they, almost? You can see that if you're on a slippy surface, they're actually stopping you from slipping around, which is really, really good. And if I turn this inside out for a second, you can see it is the fluffiest and softest of most gorgeous, gorgeous linings that you've got on these slipper socks as well. Love the design. It's really, really cheerful. It's fun. And you know, we talk about stocking fillers all the time. I think this should definitely be an addition to this year's. And look at that, just $7.99 a pair. Get all the boys some. And now we've sorted the boys out, ladies, time for you right now. And of course, you've got something very glitzy and very glamorous as well. Ordinarily, Christmas socks, you think, oh, I don't know, how interesting is that as a gift idea? You wait till you see what's in this gorgeous box. First of all, the box itself, very, very easy to gift. It's shiny and gorgeous. It's beautifully decorated. And inside the box is 5 pairs of phenomenal, fantastic socks. I'm just going to show you them here because they're absolutely brilliant. So you get a pair of these are cotton rich socks as well, by the way. They're 75% cotton. So you get a pair with sparkly silver snowflakes. You get a pair with cute and cuddly robins, some of which are dressed up as Santa by the looks of it there as well. You get a wonderful classic black with a gorgeous, gorgeous silver sparkle going through. You get a pair which are lovely in grey with gorgeous snowman, and actually boys will be borrowing these just as easily, I'm going to tell you right now. And you've also got a black and white wintry polka dot as well. I mean, for your price on screen there is absolutely phenomenal, isn't it? That's £8.99 and you are getting 5 brilliant brand new pairs of Christmas socks. I have to tell you, I would not be at all disappointed to receive that under the tree. In fact, you know that I had another selection around the corner as well. So I'm now thinking what we could do is we could have lots and lots of these boxes because I've switched this to a selection for the guys, which you're going to love. So you can all have your own socks to open on Christmas Day. Now, these multi-packs are a 1 size, by the way. So in this men's selection, the size range is 6 through to 11. Again, we get 5 pairs of socks and you can see they've all got fabulous, fabulous designs on them. They are cotton rich. All these be good for work as well, wouldn't they? So you've got your candy canes there. You've got a bit of a snowflake going on in the grey. Oh, I love this because every other day you could sort of alternate between the black and the grey, couldn't you? You've got a pair with Christmas trees on them. You've got a Santa pair in grey. Oh, what fun. I absolutely love these. And then you've got the Christmas presents as well. So again, because these are very, very easy to wrap up and get under the tree, what a lovely, lovely selection. And the price tag is really, really cool at £8.99. Right, okay, now I think that's just about all I've got time for to show you in this gift selection, but there is plenty more ideas of gifts for Christmas on our website as well. You know where to go at pavers.co.uk. And let's get all of these beautifully organised presents sorted for you, all with one order on our website. See you soon.